only have until 6 o'clock, so please hurry up.
Okay, I'll get the homework done.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Buena Vista, southern Rockbridge County, northeastern Bedford County, northeastern Botitor County, Amherst County, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Forks of Buffalo, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buena Vista, Amherst, Buck Canyon, Glasgow, and Forks of Buffalo. The National